Hey there, content creators! Welcome to YouTube Beginner Tips. Today, we're diving into the hottest YouTube trends for 2024. Buckle up because these ideas are about to take your channel to the next level. 1. AI-powered challenges. First up, we have AI-powered challenges. With AI tools becoming more accessible, creators are using them to generate wild and wacky challenges. Imagine having an AI write your daily routine or create a recipe you have to cook. The results? Hilarious and unpredictable. To try this, use an AI writing tool to generate a challenge, then film yourself attempting it. Remember, the crazier, the better. 2. Virtual reality travel vlogs. Next, we're talking virtual reality travel vlogs. As VR technology improves, creators are taking viewers on immersive journeys to exotic locations, all from the comfort of their homes. To create your own VR travel vlog, invest in a 360-degree camera and take your audience on a virtual tour of your city or a nearby tourist spot. Don't forget to add interesting facts and personal stories to make it more engaging. 3. Sustainable living hacks. Post number 3 on our list is sustainable living hacks. With climate change concerns growing, viewers are hungry for practical ways to reduce their environmental impact. Share your own journey towards sustainability. Whether it's zero-waste cooking, upcycling clothes, or building a tiny house, your experiences can inspire others to go green. 4. Nostalgia Reimagined Host. Coming in at number 4, we have Nostalgia Reimagined. This trend takes beloved pop culture from the past and gives it a modern twist. Try recreating iconic movie scenes with today's technology, or reimagine classic video games with current graphics. The key is to blend the old with the new in unexpected ways. 5. Real-time Skill Mastery Host. Last but not least, we have real-time skill mastery. This trend involves learning a new skill from scratch and documenting the entire process in a single video. Choose a skill you've always wanted to learn, like playing an instrument, painting, or coding, and film your journey from beginner to pro. Compress days or weeks of learning into an engaging 15 to 20-minute video. Your audience will love seeing the transformation.